What if I told you a tiny coin sitting in your pocket right now could be worth way more than you think? Today, we're diving into a fascinating coin. The 2004 Germany 2 euro cent coin with the F mint mark from Stuttgart. And here's the question everyone is asking. Could this small copper coin actually be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars? Let's find out. Coin overview. The coin we're talking about today is country, Germany. Year, 2004. Denomination, 2 euro cent. Mint mark, F, Stuttgart mint. Now, Germany doesn't just have one mint. It actually has 5 different mints, each with its own letter. A equals Berlin, D equals Munich, F equals Stuttgart, G equals Karlsruhe, J gleich Hamburg. So, right away, that F mint mark makes this coin a little more interesting. Design details. Let's take a closer look at the design. On the front side, you'll see a stylized oak twig with 2 leaves and an acorn. This design represents strength and stability, something deeply connected to German heritage. On the back side, all euro cent coins share a common design, showing Europe on a globe, symbolizing unity. The coin is made of copper-plated steel, giving it that reddish color. But here's where things get interesting. Value and truth. Now, let's talk about the value, the part everyone cares about. Most 2004 2 euro cent coins are worth 2 cents to $1 in normal condition, maybe $2 to $5 in excellent condition. So where do those crazy high values come from? The answer is rare errors in condition. If your coin has minting errors, double strikes, off-center design, misprints, or is in UNC, uncirculated, condition, then its value can jump significantly. Some rare euro coins are sold for hundreds or even thousands of dollars. But those are extremely rare cases. What makes it rare? Here's what you need to check on your coin. Right now, look closely for. 1. Mint mark clarity, F letter. 2. Any unusual marks or errors. 3. Perfect edges and no scratches. 4. Shiny, uncirculated surface. If your coin checks these boxes, you might be holding something collectors want. And here's the exciting part. Millions of people ignore these coins every day. But collectors, they search for them. Real talk. Let's be honest. Is this coin worth $152 million? No. But can it be valuable? Yes, especially if it has rare features. And the biggest opportunity is this. Most people don't even check their coins. So if you start looking carefully, you're already ahead of 99% of people. So next time you get change, don't just spend it. Check it, because that small coin could be hiding a big story. And maybe, just maybe, a surprising value. Coins in your pocket. And wondered if one of them could actually change your life? Most people don't. They ignore them, they spend them, or they throw them aside. But what if one tiny coin was hiding a story, a history, and maybe even a surprising value? Today, we're going to explore one such coin. The 2004 Germany 2 euro cent coin with the F mint mark from Stuttgart. And trust me, by the end of this video, you might never look at your loose change the same way again. Let's begin. This small copper-colored coin was issued in the year 2004 in Germany, one of the strongest economies in Europe. At first glance, it looks completely ordinary. A tiny coin, just 2 euro cents. Almost worthless, right? But in the world of coin collecting, even the smallest details can make a big difference. Now here's something many people don't know. Germany doesn't produce its coins in just one place. It actually has 5 different mints, each marked by a single letter. A for Berlin, D for Munich, F for Stuttgart, G for Karlsruhe, and J for Hamburg. And the coin we're talking about today comes from Stuttgart, marked with the letter F. That small letter can completely change how collectors see this coin. Now, let's take a closer look at its design. On one side of the coin, you'll find a beautiful image of an oak twig with leaves and an acorn. This isn't just decoration. In Germany, the oak tree represents strength, stability, and endurance. It reflects the country's identity, its resilience, and its deep-rooted history. On the other side, you'll see a familiar European design, a map of Europe, symbolizing unity, connection, and a shared future. This design is common across euros and coins, but still carries a powerful meaning. Now comes the question, the one you've been waiting for: how much is this coin actually worth? Is it really worth thousands or even millions of dollars? Let's be honest, in most cases, this coin is worth exactly what it says, just 2 cents. Yes, that's the truth. In normal condition, you might sell it for a few cents, maybe $1, or slightly more if it's in excellent shape. But here's where things get interesting, because sometimes, very rarely, a coin like this can become something much more valuable. Collectors are always searching for something special, not just coins, but rare coins, coins with mistakes, coins with unique features, coins that were never meant to exist in that form. These are called error coins. If your 2004 Germany 2 euro cent coin has a double strike, an off-center design, a misprint, or any unusual marking, then suddenly that small coin could become valuable, very valuable. And there's another factor, condition. If your coin looks brand new, never used, no scratches, no damage, collectors call this UNC, uncirculated condition. Coins in this condition are much harder to find, and because of that, they can sell for higher prices. So right now, I want you to do something. Pause this video for a moment. Take out your coins and check them. Look closely. Do you see the year 2004? Do you see the letter F? Do you notice anything unusual? Because if you do, you might be holding something that others have missed. Here's the reality. Millions of people handle coins every single day, but almost none of them actually look at them. They don't check the details. They don't search for errors. They don't understand the value hidden in plain sight. But you're different because you're here. You're learning. And that already puts you ahead of the crowd. Let's clear one more thing. You may have seen claims online saying this coin is worth $10, $000, $100, $000, or even millions. Those claims are not realistic, but they do point to one truth. Rare coins can be valuable, just not every coin. Coin collecting is not about luck alone. It's about knowledge. It's about patience. And it's about seeing what others ignore. Closing tone, soft music. So the next time you receive change, don't rush. Don't ignore it. Take a second, look closely, because sometimes the smallest things carry the biggest stories. And who knows, one day, that small coin in your hand might surprise you